Last Saturday morning, I walked out to my Kamado Joe, pressed the latch release, and absolutely nothing happened. The lid did not pop open like it usually does. It just stayed locked closed.
I'm Dave, and this is Austin's Kamado Joe Masterclass.
If your Kamado Joe latch has ever failed to open, or you want to make sure it never does, stay with me. I'll show you exactly what happened and how to fix it permanently. So this happened completely out of the blue. I walked outside, pressed the release, and the lid would not budge. Usually you press the latch and the airlift hinge immediately starts lifting the dome. This time, nothing. My first thought was that I messed something up. The day before, I had adjusted the tension on the airlift hinge. That's the spring mechanism that holds the dome in any position. I wondered if I had adjusted it incorrectly and created enough pressure to bind the latch. The Kamado Joe latch has two pieces. The striker is attached to the lid. The latch plate is mounted on the base. When you close the dome, those two pieces lock together. When one of them drifts even slightly out of position, the lid can get stuck in the closed position. If you live somewhere cold, there is another possibility. Sometimes moisture gets into the gasket. If the temperature drops below freezing, the gasket can literally freeze the lid to the base. I've actually had that happen before. If that's what's happening, don't force the lid open. Doing so can tear the gasket. Fortunately, I live in Austin, Texas. It was 92 degrees Fahrenheit the day this happened, so I knew ice was not the problem. After the video, check out my new cookbook, The Texas Backyard Kitchen, Complete Meals from Fire to Table. It's part barbecue book for the Kamado Joe and part go-to cookbook for every other day of the week. A link is in the description and the pinned comment. So I started looking closely at the latch. What I discovered was that the latch plate had shifted just enough that the release mechanism could not disengage it. The latch screw is designed exactly for this situation. The latch adjustment screw moves the latch plate slightly up or down for alignment. That sounds easy enough, but for one small problem. You cannot adjust the screw when the lid is closed. The striker on the lid blocks access to the adjustment screw. Here's what I did. Looking down from the top into the latch, I used a screwdriver to gently push the latch plate out toward the open position. The moment that latch plate moved, the dome released immediately. Now I could open the grill and get to the adjustment screw. By the way, if my Kamado Joe looks different, that's because I removed the lid handle to shoot this video. When I turned the adjustment screw, I found the real problem. The screw was very loose, which caused the latch plate to drift out of alignment. My concern was if the screw kept backing out, eventually it could fall out completely, and once it disappears into the grass, good luck finding it. So before I adjusted it, I used a toothpick to paint just a tiny amount of blue removable Loctite thread locker onto the exposed threads. Blue only, not red. Red is permanent. I used just enough to keep it from vibrating loose. Then I adjusted the latch until everything lined up and the lid released easily. So if your Kamado Joe latch ever refuses to open, here are 4 things I would check. Did you recently adjust the airlift hinge? Is the gasket frozen? Is the latch plate out of adjustment? Is the adjustment screw loose? I suggest making a check of this screw part of your spring maintenance routine. Give it a turn. It should require a little effort. If it spins freely, that's your cue to add a small amount of blue Loctite before it vibrates out entirely. I've been cooking on Kamado Joes for over a decade, and this was the first time I've ever had this happen. If you've ever had a strange Kamado Joe problem, leave a comment and tell me about it. There's a good chance I've seen it before. I invite you to check out my Kamado Joe Owner's Handbook. This is a 100-plus page book that I've written that covers everything you need to know about operating the Kamado Joe. It includes setup, seasoning, temperature control, troubleshooting, maintenance, and a lot of pro tips and techniques. A link is in the description and pinned comment. Hey, if you liked the video, let me know, and please subscribe and turn on notifications. Watch my Kamado Joe 101 playlist right now.